Hello everyone, welcome back to All Things China. As a lot of you is aware that I actually reviewed this Smart Ukulele before. However, back then I'm not a musician, so I couldn't review based on the music qualities of this instrument. However, today I've engaged a friend who's sitting at the back. She is a part-time musician, and with her help, I think we will get a more thorough review of this instrument. Let's go. Hello, Jamie.
Hi.
Will you say hi to my audience?
Hello.
Yeah, maybe tell the audience what a little bit of my background.
Sure. So
Yeah.
my name's Jamie. Hello everyone. So I have a YouTube channel that
Okay.
we started.
Okay.
So right now there's only covers of Mandarin and also English songs, but going forward I also plan to put in some recipes that I cook to make Asian food kiddo friendly,
Okay.
and also videos of diving.
Okay. Okay.
In Southeast Asia.
Okay. I'm sure it will be very interesting. I'll leave her channel URL in the description box below. So please support and subscribe to her channel as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. So without further delay, let's start reviewing of this gadget.
Okay.
So I think the best way to do a review is to play the instrument itself. So
Yeah.
Jamie, will you tell the audience what will you be playing?
Okay, so I like to play a song that I wrote. It's called Addiction.
So you wrote the song.
Yeah.
All right. Let's hear it.
Okay, here goes. Every day I feel the same. Running around, I'm routine, the chores to do. When I need a moment break, the thought of you turn out to be the highlight of my day. The more I try to refrain from a dose of you, the more I get afraid of losing you. Why bother take you of my addiction? You could well be the best thing that's happened to my life. You're my addiction, baby. You're my addiction. You're not exactly healthy for me, but you're my addiction. I could live on you, baby. You're my addiction.
Very, very catchy.
Thank you.
Will you tell a little bit more about the song?
Sure. So this song is a little bit like a love song, but I don't think it's just about love. It's also about the things that you enjoy in life. So the kind of addiction can be maybe a cup of coffee in the morning. It can be a favorite restaurant or a book, something that you love to do.
Yeah, I think after hearing what you sing, a lot of audience will be addicted to you. Okay, let's talk about the instrument itself.
Yeah.
Perhaps you can tell the audience about its physical appearance, its build quality, as well as how it sounds.
Okay,
Yeah.
so first of all, I really like the sound. It's quite mellow and
Okay.
soft.
Okay.
It's not too overly bright, and
Okay.
kind of like that about the
Characteristics of the sound. Okay,
Yeah,
that's nice.
and so in terms of the appearance, I quite like this whole color combo. It's quite stylish.
Okay.
But for some people that are choosing either guitar, so my main instrument is an acoustic guitar. People sometimes care about it being made from the same wood, same piece of wood.
Okay.
So this apparently is not, because you can see from a different color. But I think for a ukulele that's using different pieces of wood, this is a very nice quality sound.
Okay.
So this case,
Yeah, it comes with a case like that.
I quite like it
Yeah.
because it's not easy to find a nice ukulele case.
Yeah, not the traditional black. It has some.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
it's
design,
not. Yeah. Usually it's all fully black, so I kind of like that this
Yeah.
comes with. This is an app that can teach you how to play the ukulele. So the two are actually interlinked. So you just press this button, long press, and then it will connect
Okay.
with using Bluetooth
Okay.
to your phone.
Okay.
So you can see that these two are lit up. So if I press on here, and this tells me which finger I should be pressing it with, and if I play it,
Oh, wow.
it changes the chord. So
Okay.
now it's asking me to play a C. So I
Okay.
press here, I play,
Okay, nice.
and then A minor,
Okay.
F, C.
Let's see.
Okay.
So what song is this?
Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. I don't know how to play the song either. I've never played the song before.
Okay, anyway, it's supposed to cut you out, no?
I guess.
Okay.
Once I was 7 years old, mama child, go make yourself soft as you belong. Once I was 7 years old, was the right song, started writing stories, something about glory, always sing to you for me. Overdose, should know your love is giving, I can't get you out of my head. How it's such a shame, we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
Alright, it's conclusion time. Jamie, perhaps want to share with the audience how's your experience so far with this instrument?
So I really like the play along with the app.
Okay.
I think the app is really helpful.
Okay.
I think especially for anyone who is new to ukulele and wants to learn it.
Okay.
Don't really have the time to go outside and get a tutor.
Okay.
Because the play along and also the sing along was actually quite fun. It's almost like playing a video game, but you're instead of using a remote control on a PS4, you're using a ukulele.
Yeah, and
play
the
along.
song selection is quite comprehensive as
Actually,
well.
quite
Yeah.
new too. I mean,
Yeah.
there were Luke Branham songs, there were Adele songs,
Oh,
quite a wide, diversified choice.
Yeah, especially the tuning when they talk about the tuning.
The tuning one was phenomenal. So, so I think it's quite crucial for anyone who's new to an instrument because you're just still getting familiar to like how these strings, like what are the notes for each of the string and tuning it right. And so the app guides you along in terms of tuning it to the right note.
Yeah.
And if you don't do it right, it will not recognize the chord that you're playing. But it's quite fun and it teaches you where to press the strings. So I don't know if you can see that on the video, but the locations where your fingers can press, it lights up. So it's quite helpful.
So before we end the video, perhaps you can share a little bit more about your channel, Jamie?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
So I've just started the YouTube channel. So right now it has some covers that I did over time. Some are in English, some are in Chinese. And so I haven't played any songs by ukulele, but maybe I'll do so in the future.
Yeah. So do support. Go to his channel. Go to her channel. I'll put the link in the description box below.
Thank
Go
you.
subscribe, send some love. At the same time, if you like what I'm doing here, I review amazing and yet affordable product from China like this one. So if you like this, give me thumbs up, subscribe. Before I end, my name is Daniel and this is
Jamie.
So 1, 2, 3, goodbye.